In today's rapidly evolving world, consumer behaviors are increasingly difficult to predict for marketing research companies. However, through the application of neuroscience into marketing, you can get directly into the consumer's mind to know exactly what they think about your product. We present to you the Institute for Neuromarketing, a Croatian-based institute that uses the latest tools and insights from neuroscience to measure, understand, and affect human decision. We employ and work with the best scientists in neuromarketing across the world. We provide the neuromarketing solution on several different areas, including online neuromarketing, testing attention, cognition, emotion in the deep unconscious, with the eye tracking and biometrics. NeuroPrice, testing the product listed prices to measure the willingness to pay for a product using EEG brain scans. NEUROADVERTISING, testing perception to your TV, media, print, internet, and digital marketing advertisement. NEURODESIGN, improving website design, product packaging, visual design for online marketing. In-store testing, testing to know the best place to expose your product in the store to grab more attention. Its use is limitless in politics, social media, phone companies, digital media, automobiles, food companies, pharmaceuticals, etc. With the Institute of Neuromarketing, we take you to the future. We are the future. To find out more, visit www.neuromarketinginstitute.com.